This video is about calculating the present value of ordinary annuity using Excel. Let's go through our example. George will receive a Study Excellence Award of $40,000 per year for the next 3 years. The effective annual interest rate is 12%. Calculate the present value today of George's cash flows. So let's start by including our variables here. So our periodic equivalent cash flow is 40,000. Our interest rate is 12%. Our time is 3. Therefore, our present value will be, we will write our Excel built-in function, which is present value, open bracket, and then follow what's written here. Start with the rate, which is 12%, comma, number of periods, which will be 3 years, comma, and then what will be our payment, our periodic cash flow. We can call it payment or C, periodic cash flow. Please note that we have a negative relationship between the present value and our periodic cash flow. Let me give you an example. Let's assume that you will take a loan today. So this will be inflow or outflow. From your perspective, it will be inflow because you will receive the money. This will be positive cash flow. And then you will repay the loan over 3 years by paying equivalent amount. In this case, from your perspective, it will be cash outflow, which is a negative cash flow. Therefore, we have a negative relationship between the periodic equivalent cash flow and the present value. That's why we need to use a negative sign here. And then we will choose our periodic cash flow. Close the bracket. This will give us our present value of ordinary annuity.